Name Dhruv Singh, Standard FI Division 4, roll number 389, SAM 1. Topic is Regional Variations Urban Community. Regional variations in urban communities, exploring the diverse social, cultural, and economic characteristics that shape urban communities across different regions. Let's dive in. A regional variation generally refers to times when a radio station or television station simultaneously broadcasts different programs, continuity, or advertisements to different parts of its coverage area. This may be as to provide programming specific to a particular region, such as local news, or may be as to allow advertisements to be targeted to a particular area. Regional variation is also a common term used in British television listing publications such as magazines and newspapers to show the different programs broadcast in different areas of country. Introduction. Understanding the unique dynamics and complexities of urban communities is crucial for effective planning and development in diverse regions. Urban communities exhibit diverse characteristics based on regional variations. Let's delve into the fascinating aspects of these unique communities. India, a country with a vast land area and population, has crossed the 30% level only in terms of migration urbanization as per its latest census in 2011. Data collection and analysis. Through comprehensive data collection and analysis, we gain insights into demographic trends, spatial patterns, and social interactions within urban communities. These findings enable evidence based decision making and targeted interventions. Importance. Regional variations in urban communities shape the fabric of cities, influencing everything from architecture and infrastructure to social norms and economic opportunities. Embracing these variations fosters inclusivity and promotes equitable growth. Some of the important characteristics of urban community are as follows. First, size. Second, density of population. Third, family. Fourth, marriage. And fifth, occupation. Photos related topics. First, New York City, which discover the energy and diversity of the bustling streets of New York City, a melting pot of cultures. Second, Tokyo, which explore the vibrant urban landscape of Tokyo with its blends of tradition and innovation. Next, Copenhagen, uncover the sustainable and bike-friendly urban design of Copenhagen, a model for environmentally conscious cities. Dubai, experience the architectural marvels and luxurious urban lifestyle of Dubai, a symbol of opulence. Conclusion. Recognizing and understanding regional variations in urban communities allows us to appreciate the richness and diversity of our cities. Embracing these differences can lead to more vibrant, dynamic, and sustainable urban spaces. By exploring photos and information about diverse urban communities, we gain a deeper appreciation for the rich tapestry of human experiences shaped by regional variations. Urbanization has determined old forms of political mobilization based on caste and religious identities and favors local issues to be resolved on right-based approach. Urbanization has its impact on all aspects of day-to-day life. Suggestions for further research and development. Continued research and development in the field of regional variations in urban communities are essential for fostering innovation, improving urban planning practice, and creating more livable cities for all. Following the release of this report, the World Economic Forum's infrastructure and urban development industry partners hope to continue engaging in India through its Future of Urban Development and Services initiative. Bibliography and reference. Explore the following sources to delve deeper into the study of regional variations in urban communities. First one is Smith, 2018, Urban Diversity, Social, Cultural, and Economic Perspectives, Oxford University Press. Second, Johnson, 2020, Understanding Regionalism, Exploring the Impact of Local Factors of Urban Communities, Journal of Urban Studies. Last, Thomas, 2019, Spatial Analysis of Regional Variations in Urban Communities, Urban Research Quarterly. Thank you.